In this example, we have been asked to find the zeros of the given function and then round the answers to 3 decimal places if necessary. For this example, we can see that we've been given function notation. And so to find the zeros means that the function must equal 0. So we would have 0 equals 2.62 x squared minus 11.79 x minus 6.55. On the calculator, we would want to enter the non-zero side into y1. Let's go ahead and do that. If you have a function in there, clear it out. So 2.62 x raised to the second, arrow right to get out of the exponent, minus 11.79 x, and then minus 6.55. Okay, the zero side of this equation represents the x-axis, and to find the zeros means find where the given equation or the given function crosses the x-axis. We can look at our function and know that our y-intercept is negative 6.55. So let's try a standard window to see if the graph would be appropriate in a standard window. So do zoom, go down to number 6, which is standard, and then graph. Okay, now we can see here that our zeros actually fit inside the window, but the full effect of the graph does not. We see that the graph dips down further than we actually have in our window. We need to change that, so go to window. We can see that we need our y minimums to be smaller. So let's go to the y min, and let's try doing negative, let's say 25, and see if that's small enough. Go back and graph. And then that looks like an appropriate graph in that window. So on a test, you would label, sketch your graph, and then if you will please mark your window on your axes. So we did negative 10 to 10 on the x, and we did 10 to negative 25 on the y. All right, we specifically want to find where the graph crosses the x-axis. So do second, trace, go down and do option number 2, which is 0. Let's say we want the 0 on the left, so we need to go to the left of that 0. Okay, arrow so that you're just slightly to the left and definitely above it. Press enter, and then arrow a little bit to the right for the right bound. Press enter, and then when it asks for a guess, press enter again. Okay, this problem wants us to round the answers to 3 decimal places, and then it says if necessary. You'll see in this case your 0 is actually an exact amount, which is negative a half. So I'll come over and I'll label that as negative 0.5, comma 0. Let's go find the other one, the one to the right. So you'll do second, trace, option number 2, 0. Now I'm interested in finding this one. Okay, so I need to be closer to the value I'm looking for. So let's arrow to the right. Okay, and you want to be just slightly to the left, so this is good. Press enter, and then when it asks for a right bound, make sure you go across it and you're slightly to the right. So that's good there. Press enter, and then enter again when it asks for a guess. Okay, this one as well is an exact answer. It's actually 5, comma 0. So to find the zeros means the x values where it crosses the axis, and so our zeros would be x equals negative 0.5 and x equals positive 5.